Meditation on happiness and joy. Our brains seem to be highly attuned to any negative information in our environments. This means our brains remember and learn from danger, suffering, and other terrible events much better than from the positive experiences, even if the positive ones are more common in our lives. We often simply dismiss the joyful or happy events and focus on the pain, potential threats, or worries. While there is much suffering in this world that should be addressed and relieved, of course, we can also make a conscious choice to place our attention sometimes on the positive aspects of living. This can help us balance our mood and approach life with a bit more optimism. This meditation can be used for that purpose, as it is meant to generate positive memories, emotions, and thoughts. We start as always by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. If you find yourself in a public space, you can even do this practice while standing. If you find it helpful, you may choose to close your eyes or otherwise keep the gaze soft and relaxed. If possible, allow your body to gently relax. Relax the face and the jaw. Let the shoulders drop down from your neck. Notice if there is any tension in the belly and chest, and allow yourself to fill this area with a couple of full breaths. Noticing if the breathing helps relax the muscles, or dropping the focus on the breath if it is in any way unpleasant or distracting. I invite you to find one or two areas in your body that could serve as anchors for your attention. Preferably they should be pleasant or neutral areas, perhaps your feet or hands. Notice the sensations you feel in these areas for a short moment to arrive in the present moment. Anytime you find yourself distracted or lost in thought, you can simply return to your breath or the body part you have chosen to re-establish the connection to the present moment. Bringing to mind something that brings you joy or feelings of happiness and well-being. What is it that makes you happy? Perhaps being in nature, taking a walk in the forest, or swimming in the sea. Perhaps spending time with someone you love. Enjoying your favorite food. Reading a good book. Recall a time when you last experienced this well-being. Do you remember where you were and the people that were present, if any? What positive emotions do you remember associated with that memory? There's no need to try and make anything happen. Simply relax and enjoy these memories. Noticing how it feels in your body as you recall this experience. Noticing how it feels in your mind. Noticing how it feels in your heart. Let yourself relax and rest in this feeling of joy, happiness, or well-being. Remembering to get back to the breathing or anchor if you get distracted. Let yourself rest with the breath or the sensations in your body for a moment before we continue. Now recall someone or something that you are grateful for in your life. It could be having a shelter or resources that allow you to listen to this recording. It could be a person that has been helpful to you. It could be your own skills or abilities that you appreciate. Once again, make the person or circumstance as vivid as possible in your mind and give them a silent thank you. Relax and let yourself enjoy the feeling of gratitude in your body, mind, and heart. Take a couple of deeper breaths and bring to mind another blessing, someone or something you are grateful for. Once again, bring an image to mind of this person, being, or circumstance and give a silent thank you. Let yourself enjoy this feeling for a while. And if you get distracted, as it's completely normal, simply return to your anchor, the breath or sensations in your body, and continue remembering what you are grateful for. One more time, recall someone or something else you are grateful for. Imagine the situation, person, or circumstance in as much detail as possible. Give a silent thank you and let yourself enjoy the feeling of gratitude. As you recall all the things you are grateful for, also notice the simple fact that you are alive right now. As you relax, it may be possible for you to become more aware of how the body is breathing for you, keeping you alive without you needing to make anything happen. Your body is circulating oxygen-rich blood, nourishing every cell. Your body allows you to experience the world through various senses, the hearing and seeing, smelling and tasting. It allows you to give and receive hugs. Your mind and body work together to give you important messages in forms of thoughts and emotions. Let yourself feel wonder of all the miraculous processes that are keeping you alive right now. As much as possible, let yourself relax and allow the life to move through you. There is nothing you need to do right now. You can just enjoy being alive. As we finish this meditation, if your eyes were closed, return to your surroundings by opening your eyes gently, looking around, and perhaps stretching your body. I hope you have experienced a little increase in joy or well-being, or perhaps a bit more appreciation and gratitude for what is positive in your life. Thank you for practicing with me today.